Hi, I'm Henrietta. Thank you for joining me today for Crafty Kids. For today's craft, we're going to be making plastic cup snow globes. For today's craft materials, you're going to need plastic cups, recyclable cereal box, snow sheet, cotton balls, construction paper, fake snow, yarn, and some Christmas decorations. These are little tiny pencil erasers that you can also use. You'll need a hot glue gun, emerald glue, or you want to use tacky glue. That concludes our craft for today. So the snow globes that we created, you can hang them on Christmas trees. Another suggestion is you can take a family photo or school picture and you can cut it out and put it inside the snow globe for gifts. For more craft ideas, you can visit creativebug.com, sign up with your library card and PIN number. Thank you for joining me today for an episode of Crafty Kids. Any suggestions, go ahead and leave in the comment sections and show your craft with us and take a picture and put it in the comment section. We'll see you next time.